always aware of your current position. I just hold out to the perfect condition. Coming alive. Heated tonight. Now is the time.
What's up, guys? Ballopewolf here, back with another video. And I know I've been gone for quite a while. You know, I haven't posted in a week or two, and that's because you won't believe it, but I got sick for the second time this month. Yeah, it's crazy, man. This flu got me messed up, you know. Nah, but it's because I left the house when it was the whole wolf blood, or the super blood wolf moon. Smash the like button if I got it right, man. If I didn't, then still like the button, you know. Still press the like button. But you know, let's get to what we're here for. I actually got a notification today in the morning, but I had to go to school, and I got a notification that the Birds of Prey first look came out. So I don't know too much of this. Oh, by the way, my hair is all messed up. Don't worry, I'm gonna get a fresh cut in a couple weeks, or in a couple days, my bad. But I don't know a lot of Birds of Prey. I just know that it's like Harley Quinn is in there. That's my wife, Margot Robbie. You know, you guys gotta stay away from her, you know. But it's basically like a bunch of the bad guys, you know, but they're girls, and they're all coming together and some shit, and I don't know, something like that. But let's watch it. I have no idea what this is gonna bring. I just see the thumbnail, which is, you know, Harley Quinn, but that's it. It's only 40 seconds, so it's not gonna be a lot. It's probably gonna be like, you know, showing her and something like that. But let's see what this is about. Oh, freaking thing, man! Come on now. Okay, let's put it HD theater mode, and no. Okay, wait, no. Messed up. And now. Cast. Hey, what the heck is this? Is it supposed to be like a music video or what? See you soon. What? That was it? That was it? Really? Isn't that in the full 40 seconds? He just had to spend 20 seconds to promote his damn thing, man. His damn trailers and other stuff. But only, how long was this? 17 seconds? Really? Okay, let's watch this again. Okay, the you know, the thing. Crossbow. Whiskey. Cast. Gotham. Is that like... Is that her new costume? Because if it is, I'm sorry, but it's not gonna work. Okay, I don't know what to say. Okay, I have no comment, man. I really do not have no comment out of this, because I have no idea what I just watched. It says it comes out in 2020, so obviously it's not supposed to give us anything. But, man, I don't know about this. This is probably gonna be like the shortest video I've ever made, cause man, this was 20 seconds, man. Damn. But just because of that, you know, it don't mean I'm gonna stop. So I'm gonna do another reaction to the Toy Story 4 teaser trailer, the third teaser trailer. So I'm gonna watch that. But yeah, guys, go watch that. It's probably gonna come up today. I'm gonna do 2 uploads in one day. I haven't done that ever, so might as well start today. So, until next time, guys. Well, till next video. Yeah. Peace.